Say hi, Mom. Oh. Oh. Come out and say hi to your mom. She's downstairs. Come say hi. Come on. Get your catnip there. Look at all your toys. Come say hi. Look at it. Oh no. Come on. Look at this. Christmas tree. Where's your cousins hiding? They're up here. Come on. We'll find them. Come get your catnip. Fine.
You pointed out the reason for some of air travel, for example. If you mothball a bunch of planes and let a bunch of pilots and flight attendants and mechanics and engineers,
Can't show the marijuana my brother has. But look at all these eggheads. 1, 2. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at my baby blues. I'm trying to look for the cats, silver cats. Luna! Who's that? Bella! There's another one. Luna! There's one. Hi, Bella. Hi. I was looking for you. Where's your brother? Hello. Where's your brother? Were you sleeping in here? You were hiding from me. Where is he? Is he in here? Is he in this house? Oh, is this your shoe? That your shoe? That's a beautiful shoe. I love it. Where is he? Is he here? Oh, what's that? What is that? I found one of the cats. I found Luna or Bella. Bella's in this orange one.
Oh, and they know how to get under this.
Yeah.
Not fat ass. So.
Misty's still growling at me. I still didn't find Luna. I don't know where she's at. She might be in this room. We're trying to get Misty to see my mom. That's the fat cat in the closet. Well. Alright. Bye-bye.